Okay, meet again with me, Muhammad Izanur, and to this uh to this meet we can discuss of the for loop in Kotlin. Okay, what that's for loop in Kotlin? I am search in the Chrome, click the programmist.com Kotlin for loop. The Kotlin for loop in Kotlin iterates through anything that provides an iterator. In this article, you learn to create for loop with the help of examples. This example, okay, example is very much in here. There is no traditional for loop in Kotlin unlike Java and other languages. In Kotlin, for is used to iterate through ranks, arrays, maps, and so on anything that provides an iterator. The syntax of for loop in Kotlin is for item in collection, the item, and so body of loop. Okay, an example function main arguments. Okay, array string, the equal string for e in 1 to 5 dot and dot this to 5. Okay, print e. Here, the loop iterates through the ranks and prints individual item output. The output in this coding, the output is 1, 2, 3 to 5. Okay. If the body of loop contains only one statement, like above example, it's not necessary to use curly braces in curable. Okay. Function main arguments array the equal string for e in 1 to 5 println e. It's possible to iterate through range using for loop because range provides an iterator. To learn more, visit Kotlin iterators. The example number one to println, and number two, and so number one for as e I in 1 to 5 print I, and so the mark the mark for I in 1 to 5 print E, so print line. Okay, and so print for I in 5 to 1. Okay, to down this down, and so this down to make a down to not dot dot. This use the down to, and this to use the step, and this down and step. Okay, the output this for I, this use the dot, and to use the dot, this 1 2 3 4 5, and so on, this nothing, null, on error. Okay, for example number 3, he is make down to 1, so output the 5 4 3 2 1, and this 1 to 5 step 2. Okay, 1 okay, and okay, 1 added to the mark is 3. Okay, and 3 added to, and the output is 5. Okay, is this is output for step, and down to and 1 and step. Okay, down to and step. this 531. Okay, so we iterating through an array. Here's an example to iterate through a string array. This string array, Ruby, Kotlin, Python, and Java, and the output this. Okay, it's possible to iterate through an array with an index, for example this in the coding. Yes, function main argumentation array string, the equal string is for variable language, and the insert array of Ruby, Kotlin, Python, and Java for item in language index printing elements having even index only. If item %2 and same 0 printlen language item, the output is Python, Ruby and Python. Ruby and Python. This number 2 and 4 is nothing. Okay. Note here language index return all index of each array elements. If you want to learn more about arrays, visit Kotlin arrays. Okay, visit Kotlin array. What that's this? For common GVM and GS represents an array, specifically a Java array. When targeting the GVM platform, array instance can be created using the array of or array of nulls or empty array. Standard library function. See Kotlin language documentation for more information for array. Okay. The iterating through a string and function means argumentation array and equal string variable text Kotlin for letter in text printlen letter. Okay, the output is key o t l I n. Similar like arrays, you can iterate through a string with an index, for example. Okay, so we can do example. Okay, this to run. Okay, for x the equal integer in 0 to 15, and the condition is if x percent 2 the same is 0, printlen ini angka genap. Okay, and else if x percent 2 not same and 0, the what's the conditional printlen in ini angka ganjil. Okay, the number one, the mark is this coding is ini angka genap no. Okay, this is number is even, yes, even, and this one is odd. Okay, this true, and then to 15 this true all true. Okay, maybe that's all. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry. I'm Muhammad Izzanur. Please resign. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.